So I have Modern Forms fan right here, and I'm going to show you how to use the remote to turn on the fan as well as turn on the light for this Modern Forms control right here. You see it? And there's the fan. So I have the Modern Forms controller right here. I'm going to show you. Let me get down a little bit so you can see this a little bit better. So here is the controls. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at it first, and then we're going to go over it. So you see that there's a series of buttons on here that you can use, okay? There's arrows, and then there's circular buttons in the center. All right, so what I'm going to do is, right here, I can actually turn on the light by pressing the middle. You see that? Turn on the light, all of the lights. But when I turn that on, I also can dim the lights. And so if you look at this, it says right here, dim. I'm pressing the button down and it is actually dimming. Pressing it up, and it's actually brightening up. Down and up. All right, pretty cool, right? And then if I want to turn it off, I can just simply press the center button. It turns the light off. All right, so that is the light feature. Okay, showed you how to brighten it and dim it. Now to turn on the fan, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this. You see this right here? There is a fan button in the center. If I press the center, it clicks and it turns the fan on and it's starting to go. Now to adjust the fan speed, I just press the controls down for the lower speed, up for the faster speed. But then there's also this button right here. I'm going to go and press this. Press the button, and what it does is it actually takes the fan in the opposite direction. So watch what's happening right here. So I press that. Now it's going to go in the opposite direction. And you're probably wondering, why would you want it to go in the opposite direction? Well, you can have the fan blowing air downwards, or you can have the air pulling the air upwards and circulating, did I say that right? Circulating around the room, just like that. Okay, so that is the controls for the Modern Forms controller, fan, and light system. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.